Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Copilot not showing in Windows 11 26H2. First, open the Start menu and launch the Microsoft Store. In the search bar at the top, type Microsoft Copilot and open the official app from the search results. If you see a Get or Install button, click it and wait for Windows to download and install the standalone Copilot app. Once the installation is complete, close the Microsoft Store. Next, make sure Copilot is allowed to start with Windows. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and choose Task Manager. In Task Manager, open the Startup App section from the left side. Find Copilot in the list. If its status is disabled, select it and click Enable. This allows Copilot to launch automatically when you sign in. Now open Windows Search and type Copilot. When the app appears in the search results, right-click it and choose Pin to Taskbar. This creates a permanent shortcut so you can open Copilot with a single click whenever you need it. If Copilot still does not appear, restart your computer after completing these steps. Once Windows starts again, search for Copilot again and check whether it is available on the taskbar. Thanks for watching.